How to activate Bank of America credit card. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about activating the Bank of America credit card. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go ahead, open your preferred web browser and then type in activate Bank of America credit card and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various websites, but from here you're supposed to click on the official website of Bank of America that is indicating credit card activation or activate your credit card. You can click on any one of them. After you do that, you will be taken to this kind of interface. First, you have to enroll in the online banking, and if you already have your online banking account, you can click on sign in to your online banking. Once you click on it, you have to enter your user ID and the password in the first and the second field and click on login in order to successfully log into your online banking account. And from there, you have to just provide the correct form of your information, such as your credit card details, such as the card number, security code, and any other necessary information. After that, you have to complete security questions, identity verification steps, and you have to follow the prompts to activate your card and receive a confirmation. Alternatively, you can also activate your card using the Bank of America mobile app. First, you have to download the app from the Play Store or the App Store if you haven't already and log into your account. Then look for the card activation option under the banking or the card services menu and enter your credit card number and any other required details. Then follow the prompts to activate your card and receive the confirmation on the app. If you prefer, you can also activate your card by calling the Bank of America's customer service number, and by following these simple steps, you can easily activate your Bank of America credit card online. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.